Hello everyone. So first of all, my name is Abdul Rauf and today I'm gonna talk about SKLEARN or scikit-learn. So what is scikit-learn or SKLEARN? Well, it is a powerful machine learning library in Python. Before digging deeper into the SKLEARN specifically, first we have to know what is machine learning generally. So machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that uses algorithm to learn from and make predictions on data. It has a couple of types like supervised learning where the model learns from the labeled data and unsupervised learning where the model learns from the unlabeled data or without any labeled data. And reinforcement learning like where the model learn by itself or computer learn by itself by see the patterns of the environment or real data set. Okay, so now after that let's see why we use sklearn. Well, it is very easy to use interface for implementing machine learning algorithm. It is efficient and reliable tool for data analysis, and it is used for it have wide range of algorithms available for various tasks. It has comprehensive documentation and community support. So how can we install sklearn? So we can simply install sklearn by doing a command like pip install sklearn. Pip is the Python package manager where you can install all the Python libraries. So here you can see I show an example where I install pip install sklearn, so it install sklearn. After that, we can use sklearn for our model. So we should know how to create a model. In model, mostly we data scientist or machine learning engineer do it. First they do pre-processing, then model training, then predictions, and then evaluation. I show an simple example here of how to implement sklearn. So first you import something like from sklearn import dataset. It is an example dataset I install from there. After that, you can see I also install a model selection where you can test and which you can use to train and test your split your model into 10 and test data sets. After that, you can see I also import an algorithm from sklearn library which was svc support vector. I forgot the name here, but I will tell you later. Okay. After that, you can see I also import the matrices for the accuracy, how much accurate our model is. So yeah, in just 4 lines, I import many things. Now I show an example here of a data set where you can see first I already explained you the 4 line. After that, you can see I loading the iris data set, which is present in the sklearn library, for example. Now after that, you can see I split the data into x and y, which x is our independent variables or the features and y is where which we can predict. So I split data into x and y. After that, I split that also into the testing and testing and training data sets, which we can see the x train, x test, y train, y test. I use x train and y train for training the model and x test and y test for testing the model. I use the train test split library here you can see, which I import from here. After you can see I use the SVC algorithm, which fit. After that, I try to fit the algorithm with my training data sets. Okay. After that, you can see I predict the value of the test. I take the value from the data set and then predict with the model I fit now. After that, I try to find the accuracy with the accuracy model I use, accuracy method I used import here. After that, you can see it shows the accuracy of 1.0, which means it is 100% accurate. It was just an example, and I know it is a little bit complicated, but you can search more about it. So yeah, this was example of simply you creating a model. Now you can see only in 15 lines and create an entire model, but it was very hard if you implement it all from the scratch. That's why sklearn is very useful. Now after that, let's see the pros and cons of sklearn. First, the pros. Pros or advantages. So easy to use, simple and innovative interface for machine learning tasks. It is comprehensive tool. Extension functionality for pre-processing, model selection and evaluation. It is strong documentation and community detailed documentation and strong community support. Okay. So now cons or disadvantages of sklearn. It is limited to the classical machine learning algorithm, primarily focused on traditional machine learning algorithms. Performance limitation may not be optimized for large scale or high performance computing. Python dependency requires knowledge of Python and related libraries for effective use. It is only useful for those who know Python. So sorry for those other programming buts. So yeah, this was the basic intro about my about the sklearn. So thanks for watching. and I hope I can see you in a later video. I know it was not so good, but I hope you like it.